Industrial fiber cable at Belden solves the main problems that persist in industrial environments, and that is specifically transmitting data from point A to point B reliably and quickly in those harsh environments commonly found in industrial applications and settings. And then again, we're looking at different problems around environmental factors. We're looking at different problems around safety hazards, and we're looking at problems around distance limitations and interference. So fiber is uniquely qualified to be immune towards electromagnetic interference. It carries data very far, very quickly, very high bandwidth, solving a lot of the data limitation problems in industrial environments, as well as solving environmental factors. Our fiber cable is strategically engineered to prevent moisture ingress in the fiber cable. It is used to prevent pinching and bending of fiber cable with specialized armorings in a lot of our fiber cable constructions. And for safety hazards, fiber cable is immune to sparking if it gets pinched or cut. And that's very important in industrial environments where you have a lot of explosive gases or dust or vibrations.